What are we gonna do? Traffic is piling up. Hi guys, Disney Toys Review here. Today we have 2 cat pullback machines. Ooh, look at that. I'm so excited. Here's our dump truck. Let's get it open. These are pullback machines. When you pull them back and let them go, off they go. And the farther you pull back, the quicker they go. Let's see the wheels in action. Whoa, isn't that neat? Ooh, awesome. Now I can't wait to see our other one. Look at our bulldozer. Oh, let's check it out. Here's her bulldozer. And let's see if it rolls. Whoa, yeah, it does. That's awesome. Let's do them both. Woohoo! Everything's going pretty good here in the city. Cars are filling the roads. Why are they all stopped? Let's go see what's happening. Oh look, it's really busy and the traffic stopped because someone's coming out of the drive-thru. Let's see who's in the service office building. Oh look, it's a Ninja Turtle. It looks like that one truck is a little stuck. Oh my, here comes a bulldozer. Ah, he lost some of his load and it's blocking the road. Oh no. What are we gonna do? Traffic is piling up. We have to get this out of the way. Beep, 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 beep. Oh, it looks like the Ninja car is backing up. I wonder why he's backing up. Let's see who's coming. Oh, it's our bulldozer. He's gonna bulldoze our road and clear the road for us. Yay, they cleared the road and traffic's finally moving again. Thank you guys for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned right here on Disney Toys Review for more videos with your favorite toys.